I'm going to teach you how to add a scroll effect on Wix, taking your website from static to dynamic with just a few tweaks. Creating a website that stands out is all about adding those personalized touches that captivate visitors and keep them engaged. One great way to achieve this is by incorporating scroll effects. These effects enhance the user experience by adding visual interest and interactivity as users scroll through your content. So, let's dive into how you can easily add these effects to your Wix site. First, open up your Wix editor and choose the page where you'd like to add the scroll effect. It's important to focus on one page at a time to ensure everything looks cohesive and polished. Once you have that page open, select the element you want to animate. This could be anything from a text box to an image or even a video. Take a moment to think about which elements will benefit most from added movement, as overdoing it can clutter your page rather than enhancing it. Now that you've selected your element, look at the various editing options that pop up. Here's where you'll find the Add button on the left-hand side. Click on it, and a sidebar will open up, presenting you with a variety of options. Scroll down to find and select the Interactive option. This selection will open another set of options, one of which is Scroll Effects. Once you click this, you'll see a list of different effects you can add. Take your time to experiment with these options, as each one will bring a different flair to your website. Whether it's a fade-in, a slide, or a parallax effect, each choice will create a unique user experience. Perhaps a subtle fade-in would suit those elegant images you have, while a parallax movement might complement your stunning background design. It's all about finding the right balance and ensuring that the scroll effect enhances rather than overwhelms your content. When you're happy with an effect, apply it by selecting it and then adjusting any settings it might offer. This could be things like the speed at which the element moves or the opacity level during the transition. Always preview your work by clicking the Preview button at the top right of the screen. This allows you to see exactly what your visitors will experience and make any necessary adjustments. After you've perfected your scroll effect, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button, followed by the Publish button to make these changes live on your website. If at any point you want to change the effect or remove it, simply repeat these steps and select None under the Effect options. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to jazz up your website with scroll effects on Wix. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!